Alright, back with part 2. It's the cleanup for the consoles. So this was before. Both consoles I'm working on are were about the same condition. That's all the parts to that console that goes to this Impala. And here's the second console that's already tore down and cleaned. He had a second piece insert for this. I'm going to use the better one. I'm going to use both as an example on what to do here. It'll be on the next video. I also have a tear down of what we can do sometimes in here when this is broke. And recovering these can be aggravating. I'll come up with some ideas for you guys. It won't be too complicated, hopefully. This piece is cleaned good. There's a few nicks in it. And this piece cleaned up very good. The main carpet. Sprayed it down with the crud cutter cleaner, scrubbed it with a scrub brush, and took a hose pipe very close, starting from the top, and sprayed it down, and just watched all the coke and coffee stains it looked like just spray right out of it. Now the inside part here is faded, so it'll receive a nice coat of the sim paint, satin black. Same in here. This is pretty good. I may take some plastic polish and just clean up that. One tiny little stain here. The rest of it came out pretty good. So this is the one that'll go back original. In the next video, I'll have this one cleaned, and I'm going to remove the carpet on this one and remove the cover, the wrap on the ring to recover this also. Tear this one apart. This one still has a spring, but the cover's coming loose, which we have to recover this anyways. And the differences on these, this one's already been painted, probably with the sim paint or something. But it had some cigarette burns. Let's see if we can get those out by sanding them and filling them. And this one's pretty good. It looks like it has some glue goop, but it's higher than the surface level, so we can probably sand that down. And this may polish out. This hasn't been painted before. I'm going to remove this on this one. We'll use some plastic polish and see how we can do on this one. If that don't work, we can go over it with some paint. And these pieces, like I mentioned on the last video, have a faded spot after you clean them. So we'll touch those up with the sim paint also. This has some splatter of overspray on it, but it's plastic, clear plastic with the color on the back. So we can take some plastic polish, some rubbing compound, and buff that off, hopefully. Have a nice smooth glass finish. This is the one we have two to work with. This one's dulled up. So both of them need something done. So I'll come back with all that on the next video. Thanks for watching so far. Peace.